Yeah, my name's Elaine, and Kim really helped me for like my GCSEs because I wasn't doing that well in maths when I first started because it was like such a completely new kind of syllabus. Like it was so different from the ones that I was doing in South Africa. So Kim really helped me come through that, which was really good because at first I was like in denial that I don't really need a tutor. Like I could just work on this myself and I can um learn more of this myself. And I thought, but like Kim said, like she was learning the wrong thing. So I was doing practically the same. So it was just a matter of things of getting it straight. So my mom really pushed for me to get into contact with Kim again, because she had helped me before in grade 8, as she said. Um, yeah, she had helped me before with another tutor, which wasn't her, but this time it was her. And both the times it was so helpful actually. And I passed both times. So the thing was, I was in denial getting a tutor because like I felt like I could do it myself. And I felt like if I were to just put in more effort, which of course like I wasn't doing by myself, I would have been able to get it, but I just was not getting it. So a tutor was really, really helpful, especially like a private tutor. It just like opened up so many it just opened up my eyes basically because they were saying things or they were helping me to see things that I was not seeing at the time of my revision or at the time of me doing math. So it was like more so of that. Yeah, so having a teacher really helped me. Um, I wouldn't say don't try yourself, of course. Like if you want to do that, go ahead. But at the same time, it's like having a tutor just opens so many things that you might not understand yourself or that you might need help understanding. So yeah.